Hi guys, my Chris 40k, and this is going to be a little guide video on how I made my custom Thousand Sun Sorcerer. It was not really custom, I used free kits from it. For it, I used the basic the Chaos Space Marine Sorcerer kit, the Rubric Marines, and I can't find the box for the Scarlet Occult Terminators, but that's where I got the head and maybe this little scroll, I think. Yeah, I think those are both from the Scarab Occult box. I may be wrong, but the part, so I built the Sorcerer as normal, other than the head. Yeah, it's just built it as normal on the head, and I used an icon of flame from the rubric kit. So, and there's only one in the box, so if you don't build the rubrics with the icon of flame like I didn't, you get this, and it looks very zinchy. And then the head is one of the heads from the Scarlet Terminator box. Just there's quite a few heads in that one, so you could just take any. But I done this one, kind of with the said. But yeah, it looks very zinchy in my opinion. I'm really happy with it. But yeah, this is just. And then it's gonna just be used in game as a sorcerer. Ready for Thousand Suns. I'll compare it to some other Thousand Suns ones because why not? It's a bit different. So here is a rubric. Compared to a rubric, it is just the same size. And this Scarab Occult Terminator. And let's just find let's get the Scarab Occult Sorcerer. A bit taller. But yeah, I'm very happy with my little conversion. It's quite simple, but you do need free kits for it. But most Thousand Suns players also will have the Rubric Marines and Scarab Occult Terminators boxes, because you know they're like the basics of Thousand Suns really. I tried to use one of the little other bits for the force stave, but they didn't fit on, so I just used normal one. It would have looked way better in my opinion, but so I could get. Still very happy with it. But I think all Thousand Suns players will have like some extra rubric parts and some extra Scarab Occult Terminators parts. So what all you would need for it is the Sorcerer, Chaos Space Marines. But here's a little turnaround of them. This is also like a not really a review, more just like a video just talking about them. So yeah, this guy will be leading my Thousand Suns army for now. I'll probably get like an H2 at Warhammer Fest. I'm going to probably also get this Thousand Suns Border Patrol box and the Border Actions Terrain that actually I don't know if they have it. But I'll do a video I'll do some videos at Warhammer Fest and afterwards of how it was, what I thought of it and all that. So they will be coming on the 29th of April and the 30th of April. But yes, the head looks very cool. It's like looking at the little spell thing he's making up. The scroll, that part there, the scroll looking thing wasn't from the original Sorcerer kit. I can't tell, it was I think from the Rubric Marine kit, I'm sure. Maybe the Scarab Occult one. But I think it was rubrics. So yeah, that's. I tried a rubric head, but the little spikes at the back there didn't let it fit, so I just used a Scarab Occult Terminator head. I feel like I'm rambling on, but yeah, really, if you really want to build it like mine, so most people won't, because they'll probably have their own Sorcerer. You only need the Thousand Suns Rubric Marines kit, the Chaos Space Marine Sorcerer, and the Scarab Occult Terminators box for Thousand Suns, and that's all. Subscribe for more videos, and bye.